beloved ones, in these transitional times, we ask you to seek balance. This is the only path forward as humanity. You are operating within the dimension of unity, within your core being. You are part of the whole, and as part of the whole, you carry with you knowledge and wisdom that is seated within your being, that is now being lit by you acknowledging and accepting of who you truly are, a multidimensional being, traveling this universal path of exploring new ways of knowing yourself through the expression of the human at this moment. And so, by you allowing yourself peace, by remembering that within the stillness, within your being, you will activate what is needed for you to remember. And the remembrance will gift you a deeper understanding. It will allow you to remember the gifts that you embody so that you can shine these gifts through your passions in your life. It is the vibration and the frequency of these passions that will allow you to feel, be, and experience the freedom of being a free spirit, where you acknowledge that all that you embody is of great asset for this human journey, something to be cherished and honored throughout this path. You as humanity have been told stories, imprinted by lower vibrations, keeping you separate from your own truth, the truth of you embodying the power, you being equally important to the universal flow. And so when you understand that as you are moving throughout this life journey, you are simply expressing the divine. And for that to be expressed in the purity of its essence, to shine a light upon this earth, creating new pathways for all beings, a perfect symphony orchestrated by the divine.